those clothing items from Good Samaritan Hospital, correct?
Correct.
You bagged them? Bagged, B-A-G-G-E-D, bagged them? Correct?
Yes.
And then what did you do with them after that?
We secured them in Sergeant Buchanan's pickup truck.
And then what happened to them after they were secured in his pickup truck?
We traveled to Dighton to Mr. Reed's house.
Once you ultimately got back, I don't want to have to take you through the entire, everybody knows where you went.
Okay.
Sergeant Buchanan's already testified. You get back to Canton at some point, correct?
Yes.
Ultimately, were the clothes transported into your facility
Yes.
at the DA's office?
Correct.
Okay. What did you do with them after that?
We brought them to the evidence
I'm
processing.
going to ask you what you did, not what we did, what you did.
Sergeant Buchanan and I brought them to the evidence processing area, laid out butcher paper so the clothes could dry, put them on there in that area, and then I brought 2 cell phones to Trooper Garino so he could try to attempt to extract the phones.
What did you do with the clothing after it was dried out?
So the next day, Trooper DeChico arrived and brought them into the permanent evidence area where only him and another trooper, my So the next day, Trooper DeChico arrived and brought them into the permanent evidence area where only him and another trooper in my office have access to. So they were secured from that at that point.
So you didn't book them into evidence?
I did not know. I don't have that.
I see. So you didn't bring a log with you of any sort concerning the chain of custody of these items, correct?
No.
As a matter of fact, the reason you didn't bring that chain of custody log is because none exists. Isn't that right?
Objection.
Sustained. Ask it differently.
Does a physical log exist starting from January 29th, 2022 to today?
Yes.
Where's that physical log, sir?
I'm not an evidence officer, so I don't know how that. Yeah. So I don't know how that's generated.
Right. So as the case officer, you have no idea where an evidence log is that has something as insignificant as, I don't know, the victim's clothing.
Objection.
Sustained.
The fact of the matter is, the evidence log attendant to this case regarding those clothing items starts on March 14th when they were taken to the crime lab, correct?